Hello everyone, we are again together in our English class. Let's continue to do exercise number 19.5 and it is related to chapter 19. The topic is active and passive voice. So let's go for it. In this exercise, we see that it relates to present perfect tense. Present perfect tense deals with the action that is completed before a specific time period. So, what do we see? That we apply has and have as a helping verb, plus third form of the verb will be applied as the main verb. And in order to convert it into passive voice, what do we see? We know it that object will become the subject and subject will become the object. Now it has become quite common thing for us in voices. Now the important thing is that has have will be converted into again has have according to the subject. Whether it is singular, then has verb will be applied, and if it is plural, then have verb will be applied. Plus we see that has have goes with third form of the verb. So at the place of third form of the verb, what do? We will apply the word been here, because we know that be, was, been. So been is the third form here and we will go with the third form of the verb here. And after that, according to the rule, again third form will be applied plus by plus subject. So let's go with the exercise. Here at number first place, we are having the sentence, our soldiers have defeated the enemy. Now the enemy is an object here, so we will convert it into as a subject in active, in passive voice. The enemy. Now which verb do we select between has and have? The enemy. Enemy is single, so we will go with the verb has. Okay, the enemy has. Now according to the rule, what do? We have to apply this word been. Okay, as I have told you, the enemy has been. Now the third form. In this case, we can consider ourselves lucky to have the third form already written, because has have always deals with the third form. The enemy has been defeated. Same third form we will write it here. The enemy has been defeated by whom? By our soldiers. By our soldiers. Okay. Next is, the roadways employees have declared hunger strike. So we see that object hunger strike. Hunger strike has been declared, third form is already given here, declared by the roadways employees. Next is, at number 3 we are having, Mridula has not paid her school fees. So we will go with her school fee. Her school fee. Now we will select the verb has or have. Has. Her school fee has. Now here we see that negative form is given here, so we will go with the negative form. Her school fee has not been. The word we have to go with been. Has not been paid. Third form is given. Pay, paid, paid. Paid by Mridula. While writing proper noun, we have to write in capital letters. Okay. Next is, the leader has helped our people. So here we see that our people. People indicates plural form. We have to take care, students, otherwise the whole sentence will become wrong. This is such an important thing that we have to take care. Our people, person is a singular form and people plural. Our people have. Now you will go with the verb have. have been helped, have been helped by the leader. Full stop. The next one is, my father has filed this complaint. Now this complaint singular complaint is given here, so has again we will go with this word been, this third form been, has been filed, third form is already applied, has been filed by my father, At number 6 on the next page, we have spent all the money. Now students, all the money, we know that money is taken as singular. All the money has been spent. The first form is spent, spent, okay. All the money has been spent by, we will be converted into us. They have never flown a kite. Now here we are having never word added here, so we will not omit it, we will include it without any fail. A kite, single kite, a kite has never, again the same rule, been, a kite has never been flown by, they will be converted into them. Full stop. Next is, she has never appreciated this song. This song, subject will become this song. This song has, again we are having this word never here. This song has never, with the helping verb we will apply this word never. This song has never, it is also showing negativity, negative form is here. This song has never been, we can't omit the negative forms given, has never been appreciated, appreciated by whom? By, she will be converted into her. Full stop. So class, this was your exercise number 19.5. I hope now you are well acquainted how to sort it out. Just give a good practice to you for more understanding. Thank you students. Good.